Hello, I'm Ted and welcome to my world of modelling again. This week I'd like to carry on with the sportsman themed automata. And this week it's the boxers or the pugilists.
Basher Big Briggs Promotions.
Yeah, well, bit of imagination now. Like, can you say some of the others?
So Iron Mike McCoy versus Rocky Reeves, Bone Crusher Dunn versus Kid Fury, Lights Out Lucas, Mad Max McAvoy. Who's that? Dynamite Dixon and Handsome Hal.
Well,
The ref's in the way of that one. Is it Marvellous? Oh, Marvellous Marvin Agler. Is it Agler?
Well,
oh, Marvellous Marvin. Hitman Hennessy.
That's it, yeah. Any of these two chaps are about to kick off?
I think that's that last one. I think that was the best fight I've ever seen. That Agler, Agler Earns.
Agler and Earns, yeah. Hitman Earns, yeah. That's a straight left from Rocky.
Which one's Rocky?
This is Rocky, and that's Apollo.
So it's a tribute to the actual Rocky movies.
Yeah, I think so. And that's Apollo just struggling a bit on the ropes at the moment. He's got to find a way to get inside Rocky's guard.
So he can actually,
that's it.
Yeah.
That's how he
so
gets
Rocky
inside.
throws the jabs and Apollo can get cut inside and get the uppercut.
He comes in and finds it then. Left uppercut. They're both a bit weird of each other now.
Did you try and make it look like Stallone, or is that just purely...
it's just how it worked out. I mean, at the end of the day, it's only just a few sticks and on the wire. So it's just... it's how it's...
Is that just a natural... You just glued on the nose and ears, have you?
Yeah.
The rest is just the way
the
it
rest
was
is
shaped?
carved. I've just glued on the nose, the broken nose, the cauliflower ears. Pretty well to both of them, so. And of course, the beauty of the stick and wires, you can bend the wire to try and get the most.
An interesting piece, isn't it?
Yeah, you can have a bit of fun with those.
So what's the where's the movement created?
Well, so I'll just whip this off the back. So I've got this knife handy. I'm just going to take off the ropes, and it'll just all slide apart. So this how it all works, like. I should just pull out now. Just a tight fit, but there you go.
Yeah.
Should, that's it, look. That still works. They just slide in there.
Just the job.
It just that's actually fencing wire, you know, the straining wire they use.
Yeah.
I've got left out from the building tray.
Yeah.
That's all that is. It's ideal actually because it's strong but flexible.
Yeah. Yeah. Does the job,
you
doesn't
can
it?
bend the arms and legs to any design you fancy.
Yeah.
So. And that's how it works, mate. It's a simple idea, really.
Best ideas are the simplest, though, aren't they?
Activating like this, see that?
Yeah.
Once you've learnt the sequence of, movement, you can get quite an interesting.
Yeah. Very nice.
It's a simple idea. I think the simple ideas are the best. I mean, anyone can look and read books and go on the internet to get ideas.
Yeah.
But rather than copy other people's ideas, it's best trying to develop your own ideas.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Inspiration.
Well, that's it. Everyone needs inspiration.
And that's all I do. I just, you know, read a lot of books and things, and just basically try to come up with ways of, and it's more rewarding actually if you come up with an idea and actually make it work. Yeah. It's original. So that's what I'd recommend anyway. But by all means, get your inspiration from the internet, Pinterest and places like that. Yeah. But then develop the idea further. Yeah. So anyway, that'll be it for this week. So hopefully I'll see you again in probably a couple of weeks. So until then, happy whittling.